Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Samsung had a lot to show off at their Galaxy Unpacked event in January, including the Galaxy S25 lineup. But one of the biggest surprises? The reveal of the Galaxy S25 Edge, a brand new addition to Samsung's flagship family. While rumors hinted at a Galaxy S25 Slim, Samsung shocked us with the Edge branding and a design that's unlike anything we've seen before. With leaks pointing to an official launch event on April 16th, there's already a lot we know about this phone, so let's break it all down. Samsung teased the S25 Edge at Galaxy Unpacked, but didn't reveal many details. According to new leaks, the phone could be officially unveiled on April 16th, with a launch following in May. That's much earlier than Samsung's usual summer launch for new foldables, so it's clear the Edge is in a category of its own. As for pricing, that's where things get interesting. Some rumors suggested this could replace the Galaxy S25 FE, making it a budget-friendly device, while others compared it to the $1,299 Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now it looks like Samsung is aiming for the middle ground, with leaks indicating a price similar to the $999 Galaxy S25 Plus. The biggest talking point? The incredibly slim design. Samsung is reportedly pushing the limits here, making the Galaxy S25 Edge just 5.84 millimeters thin. For comparison, the Galaxy S25 Plus is 7.3 millimeters thick. To achieve this lightweight build, Samsung is swapping traditional materials. Instead of glass, the Edge could feature ceramic, with an aluminum frame instead of stainless steel. And despite its thin form factor, it still retains an IP68 rating, meaning it's dust and water resistant. One of the biggest mysteries has been the display size, but thanks to recent leaks, we now know the Galaxy S25 Edge will have a 6.6-inch display. The bezels? As slim as the ones on the S25 Ultra, making for a sleek, immersive viewing experience. Now, let's talk cameras. Samsung's thin design means fewer lenses, so the S25 Edge reportedly has a dual camera setup. But here's the kicker. It might include a 200-megapixel main sensor, just like the S25 Ultra. The second camera is rumored to be a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, similar to the Galaxy S25 Plus. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite, the same chip powering the rest of the S25 lineup. However, early benchmarks suggest a slightly underclocked version of the chip, likely due to the phone's thin design and heat management considerations. Battery life? That's where things get tricky. Samsung reportedly squeezed in a 3,900 mAh battery, which is smaller than the 4,000 mAh Galaxy S25. And while 25-watt wired charging is confirmed, it won't have the 45-watt fast charging of the S25 Plus or Ultra. So power efficiency will be key here. The Galaxy S25 Edge will launch with One UI 7, based on Android 15, bringing all the latest Galaxy AI features and software optimizations. This means users will get the same AI-powered enhancements found on the S25 series, including Live Translate, AI-powered image editing, and more. So is the Galaxy S25 Edge shaping up to be a game-changer? Samsung promises it's their most innovative technology in a sleek new form factor, but it remains to be seen if it delivers beyond just being thin. What do you think? Does the Galaxy S25 Edge excite you, or is it just a gimmick? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth coverage as we get closer to the official launch. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.